प्यार की एक कहानी एक था लड़का एक थी लड़की दीवानी.
Car also was not good. AC was not working properly. And he was saying for AC you have to pay extra. I was like, what is this?
Guys, here is so much
hot.
गर्मी.
It's like
so
heat
hot.
wave is there.
I mean,
Whenever we are traveling
I don't know
in
how.
car, bus or flight, Beta is ready for sleeping.
तो दोस्तों ये नई वीडियो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और आज हम जा रहे हैं छत्तीसगढ़ फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. भगवान इज वेयरिंग शूज एंड वी हैव फ्लाइट एट व्हाट टाइम?
5:30.
So at 5:30 we have
From
flight.
there to airport 1 hour will take.
Oh, so now we are going. It's 2:15. So I think around 3:30 we will be there, and then it will be like 2 hours before our flight. So government of India called us for one program. So much noise is coming. They call us for a program to Chhattisgarh. Same like last time we went to Goa, and we are so excited. We will show you guys everything, everywhere. They are going to take us different cities of Chhattisgarh, different places, and this is first time for me being in Chhattisgarh. प्यार की एक कहानी एक था लड़का एक थी लड़की दीवानी.
Your makeup is looking so good on you.
Today I became like real woman. Means because normally I'm not so much interested in like all the time doing makeup or wearing so good dresses and this thing. But now today I was like we are going to go by flight and let's wear whatever. Let's make how to say make myself 100% of myself.
So we are going Chhattisgarh. So one government program is there. They invited us. I don't know why it's
Yeah.
getting again open. So let's
And,
see.
We are going there. We are so excited. We took 2 suitcases.
Because after that we are going to Hyderabad
We are going to
also.
Hyderabad also. Yeah,
Ah.
that also for the first time. So
First
both-
time.
both
I was
places.
there for 6-7 months in Hyderabad.
No, means for me it's first time.
Okay.
So now we got Uber.
Where and now we'll
Ubers
go.
are not going by
Original price. They are
original
going
price.
by meter.
Means we got I think 2 or 3 times. Each of them are saying like we will go by meter or something. And weather is so hot we cannot go by auto. And I think it's like so much long also. 1.5 hour away, something like that. So, inside you're saying? So, it's so hot guys, so much. So, we just sit in auto.
Not
sorry.
auto, in car.
Uber.
What you are saying?
Uber. And this...
Everything is changed, guys. Means old means now we bought car now, so we are not traveling by Uber and Ola nowadays that much. But nowadays everyone is going by meter. No one is going by normal rate.
Oh, so having car became so much good, no?
Everyone is like this. So from here 1 hour it will take to go Pune airport, and from there we have flight. And
It's so
weather
hot.
in Pune is so hot, guys. So hot means so hot. And now I don't know in Chhattisgarh, in Hyderabad, how is weather. There also I don't know.
But I think we will be in hall, so
There,
will be
there no,
so
but
cool.
Hyderabad you want to travel na here and
Hyderabad,
there.
it will
So
be so
it's
hot.
like Pune only.
And cooler of this car also is not working that
I
much.
think it's not that good.
He was not turning on
He's
cooler.
saying a different rate for cooler and if you want
Is
cooler.
it?
No, he's saying I don't know. I don't think.
No, he was saying like that.
He was
My
saying like
God.
this. I said,
And he was
what?
saying to us he cancelled the
Uber.
no, cancelled the Uber, so he no percentage will go for Uber. Bhagwan did, but I was thinking for safety. Also it's
No,
not
nowadays they have fight between Uber and Ola and auto rickshaws and cab.
good.
They are not accepting app. So they are using this app only for taking ride.
Oh.
Means to just taking people.
Mhm.
After that they are going by meter only everywhere. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so in Chhattisgarh we are there for 4 days. Means 4 nights we are there. They are going to take different places like Bastar, I don't remember. And they want to show culture in Chhattisgarh and different places also. And some government program also. They will show everything.
Guys, we finally reached to Pune airport. here weather is better.
Weather is better.
It's like cooler is on, huh? Oh.
Fan is there.
Yeah, let's go inside. I was feeling little bit headache and dizzy
Your
inside.
his driving was not good.
Yeah.
Your car.
He was
His car
going
also
there.
was not good. AC was not working properly. And he was saying for AC you have to pay extra. I was like, what is this? I said, stop here only. Car will go outside. Then he turned on AC. These people are nonsense. It's okay, we
I
came.
like Bhagwan because nowadays he's not like
Silent.
person. He'll say, like we said, if you don't want to turn on, then here only wait, we will go.
We will go.
But he took us here. So now we should go inside. From here, we should go inside. This guy is wearing like this. So guys, now we were coming inside. And the person who was checking our ID card
Officer,
and
huh?
yeah, the officer, he was asking where are you from. Means he was asking from Bhagwan where I am from.
This name is different. It's not like Indian. Bita Nagibi. He was asking. I said she's from Iran.
Then he was laughing. He was like,
He was asking she knows Marathi or not. He was asking, then you made driving license for her. I said yes. 3 years we are living in Pune and this.
he was laughing.
He was smiling.
So guys, so many people are here.
Last time no one was there.
Last time we came, so less people were there. But today, oh my god! I think 1 hour we need to be standing on line.
I think our flight is at 5:30. 2 hours
And
are
I'm
there.
hungry also.
You are hungry also. Once you go outside, we will eat. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Window seat you got.
I got window seat, but it's so much hot and sunny. I think this one's mine.
So you close.
So
I can sit there. If it's okay.
I want to sleep. Once it goes, I sleep till we reach.
But always sleep. Whenever we are traveling
I don't know.
in
how.
car, bus or flight, Beta is ready for sleeping.
I don't know because weather is hot. I feel so sleepy.
And nowadays Beta is eating lot. Lot means you cannot even imagine.
What is?
Yeah. Food I am saying, not today. Generally I am
Today I
saying.
didn't eat anything.
No, generally I am
That's
saying.
why maybe I'm feeling so different. Generally, I'm eating a lot, but I don't know where it's going.
Okay guys, we'll go and we'll show you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want this one.
Hello guys, it's 7:30. 7:30? So we reached Raipur.
Yeah. I think this airport is small, and I think weather here is worse than Pune.
But
So
I
hot.
think it's not that much humid like Pune.
Really?
I don't know. It's 35 degrees they are saying,
I think
but let's see.
Pune, weather also is changing.
Changing means
Slowly becoming like
more hot, na, and humid.
I feel different now because of flight.
It's feeling bad or good?
Means flight comes down, up and this thing.
Gum is there if you want.
No,
Okay then.
I don't feel that good.
Okay then we have to take our luggage and then we have to go some hotel. Let's see. We'll
Yeah.
show you. See guys, I think it's new airport and it's good. It's empty. No one is there. See.
Namaste dosto. So guys, we came to Raipur. Finally we reached. And now we need to put our luggage. We are going by car. Means so many people are there, but everyone is going with, I think every four people?
5 people I think.
Every 4-5 people are going with one car.
I think.
So, chala. Let's go. Inside. Otherwise, one is asking them, is it for program? Otherwise, we will go. Yeah. Otherwise, we will go by mistake somewhere else. Hey Bhagwan. Hey Bhagwan.
Hey Bhagwan. Hey Bita.
Guys, here is so much
hot.
garmi,
It's like
so
heat wave
hot.
is there.
I mean, Pune also it was mentioned ki it's 33 degree at night. Here also it's 33, but it doesn't seem like
Not
there
yet.
and
Pune it
here.
was 30 at night. It's better than
It
here.
was 30
Or
or 29.
less than 30, huh? Here is like 33,
35.
35 and it's like hot wave is coming.
Now so I'm getting dead. My God. It's so hot.
So hot.
Now?
Arre.
Oof oof.
I don't know in these 3 days what will happen. They want to take na different places.
I think after these days,
Huh.
and once we go to Hyderabad,
Huh.
after that I will become so much suntanned. No one can recognize me after that. Guys, we reached our hotel. This is the place we came. Yeah. Baby lawn.
Baby lawn. Baby lawn. Baby.
Now what we should do? Come. We should get our room key and then food. So guys, we finally came to our room.
Yeah, they will show you.
220. So let's see what's up.
Beta have so much pressure. Unless you have pressure, you go toilet.
And this is the stairs outside.
You go
Oh. It's good.
it's
Here is toilet. It's so similar
to that Goa hotel. No.
No. It's similar to Mahabaleshwar, one place we went.
TGL?
Not TGL.
Brownstone?
No.
Then where we went? Out of that.
Are the
Shiv
Sagar.
Sagar.
Nah?
Arre.
Because that one also was like this.
Arre.
So this is the bed. Here.
We can record short videos.
Here is what? Oh, glasses.
Like balcony type maybe. No,
Yeah.
balcony is not there.
This is chai. What they have? Sugar free.
And everything will go in bag of Vita.
Why?
What why you take? I know.
Oh, this one you're saying?
Arre.
Let me see what things they have. Chai, coffee. 10 rupees chai, coffee. 10 rupees. Let me see. Sugar free. Oh, they have that sugar free also.
Arre.
I forgot name.
I also forgot.
Became nam.
Okay, go toilet.
It's good here.
Oh, it's good. We'll record some shots also.
नीले नीले अंबर
Hand,
पर
हाँ.
चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए दिखों में बरसाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो. People will think I'm mad. We came to eat dinner, so let me show you so many options are there, and I'm so hungry also. So this part is non-veg. If
You don't want to eat
you are
non-veg?
interested in chicken, mutton, no. And here,
They have salad.
let me try all
Oh, different things are there. Vita, Manchurian also is there. And people are watching cricket also. See? Hey.
Where is Manchurian?
Here. Manchurian,
Wait,
noodle.
let me see.
Arre. Chutney hai idige. I think it's turshi, like achar hai.
Achar hai?
Achar of something.
Achar of what?
Pickle.
Onion?
Pickle of, I think, pickle of onion. I never saw pickle of
Oh,
onion.
should we take little bit?
You can taste. I don't know. Pickle of garlic I saw in Iran.
Yeah,
But,
yeah.
Onion I never saw.
Let's see. We can try so many things.
Chicken also take na.
No. Chicken pickle, no. You want chicken?
This one is I think mango pickle.
Maybe I will say. To just give a try to everything.
Arre.
Next one we will go with salad.
Salad.
You want chicken meat?
Okay.
This one is what? Raita?
I think it's raita.
Here should I say?
In that
I
you can
like
take.
raita so much.
Arre. Lettuce.
This is what?
I think ananas, pineapple. I don't know. This one is cabbage.
I
Make
want to
make.
try everything.
Arre.
This one also. Chana.
This one is Manchurian, Bita's favorite type, but it's spicy, I think, Bitul.
Really?
Really it's spicy.
One only, I think.
One only take.
This one?
This one is
one I
like
remember in Mumbai
Chinese.
with you
It's mentioned there.
because everything was so spicy.
Oh, maybe spring onion noodles.
You are listening?
Arey.
When I came to meet you,
Ah.
I remember everything was spicy. Every night I was eating this one from
Near
next
our
to-
hotel.
Yeah,
Ah.
near hotel.
So
This
many
one
things
what?
are there. Kofta.
No, kofta no.
Gobi.
Let's try everything.
We can try. How much space you have, Bitur?
This one?
Mentioning na veg kullapuri, like veg mix,
Okay.
all vegetable
This
mix.
one?
Paneer malai, methi and paneer.
I think this one.
It's like something different. We never tried. Or
Paneer malai, dal. I don't
dal,
want
rice, brownie. Hey, other kids
Macaroni.
macaroni. Ah, so many things. How is food, Bitter?
So good.
Paneer I'm trying for first time is so good, but a little bit oily, so tasty.
This one also is like so tasty.
Ah.
I think some different vegetables and spices they put on gobi and they fry it. It's so tasty.
Arey. I thought we will eat something local food here, but I don't have.
They have manchurian.
Arey, cricketers is
As
there.
compared to Goa, they have more variety of food.
Really? Ah, arey.